Hello and welcome back to MK Sportscars. Well, today I'm going to give you a little introduction into the MK Cup 200. This car is a Hayabusa powered car, so it's got a motorbike engine in with a 6-speed sequential gearbox, and what today I'm going to do is do a little road test for you showing the new gear knob flat shifter system. So enjoy, and if you have any question or comments, throw them down below. Right, well, it's Cup 200 test drive time. Now I haven't done one in a while, which is unusual. We've got some new things going on this car, so we thought we'd get it out on the road again and show you what it's all about. Really, it's stats wise what's going on with this car. It's just building up the temperatures at the moment. Oh, just coming up to 51. We set the parameters on these so that you can't really give it the full beams till the oil temperature gets above near 50 degrees, just a bit of engine wear, and that the water's above sort of 60 plus. Got the aim dash giving you all the information here: RPM, speed, oil pressures, oil temperatures, water temperatures and everything else there, and it's got many different screens where we can do lap times and everything else. So under the bonnet, if you don't know the Cup 200, the first time of hearing it, well, it's got a Suzuki Hayabusa engine producing 206 horsepower, which you think, oh, that's average these days. But when you've got a car with me in it and driver included that weighs 570 kilos, so it's sub 500 kilos without a driver, then she's pretty fast, I can say, around the track. So it runs in her own Cup 200 championship, the 750 Motor Club. You can join that, you can make them road legal like this one is, and turn up and race, or you can build only just a track car if you like. So it's a very versatile car. You can pop to the shops in it, and you can race it very competitively in the Cup 200 Championship. Now next up, you'll probably notice the gear lever. Well, it's got a sequential gearbox that's mated obviously to the gearbox on the Hayabusa. If you don't know much about a bike engine, they are all inclusive and all in one. The 6-speed sequential gearbox, which produces a really seamless gear change on track. It's amazing. On the road, you probably think, oh, it's a little bit more clunkier, but that's the whole point. So what we do to fit is Generation 2 engine, Generation 3 Hayabusa drive-by-wire throttle bodies, which basically give you more drivability, and also gives you this, on this gear lever, full flat and downshift. So flat shift, upshift, you don't even have to lift off, you just flip it in the gears, and then it will auto blip on the way down to allow you to just change it. I'm not using the clutch at all, my leg's up here, it will just pop in the gear and then down as well. There she goes, lovely. But you can use the clutch on the road if you feel like it's more sensible to drive. I'm trying to take it out just like, not just around the track and blast it, but like we're going over speed bumps, normal low speed stuff, everyday driving, it still works, and they can still flat shift at low speeds like I am there, not using the clutch in any way. Suspension, what's holding me? You're thinking, well, it's reasonably compliant. Well, it would be, because it's running on Protect dampers. They're Cup spec, which has a different valve in and a different rod, and it helps it basically. A bit more comfortable, a bit compliant, and they've got 13 adjusters on them, so you know it's pretty easy to set up to what you want, whether it's in a dry setting or wet setting. Now, enough of me talking for a minute. Do you want to hear what this sounds like on full chat? I'm sure you do. Ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. Now that's pretty special. You can see I'm snatching gears as fast as this really wants to take it, really. It's that easy. See what your grip's like round the roundabout. As we know, cold tyres. I've only just really done a mile or so, but pretty respectable. You can play with it actually. The steering on the rear is pretty good, but we'll give it some beans. We'll go for the flat shift. Thinking, well, where's the indicator in? Well, it's all on there. You may not be able to see it from up here, but we've got a little control panel. So white wireless control panel on the steering wheel. It's got your indicators. It's got your high beam, low beam on it, and your horn on there as well. And then you've got your standard instrumentation switches, which is for the reverse, which is making it road legal. Electric reverse, side lights, start and your hazard, and also some safety devices for racing, which is your main battery kill switch and your fire extinguisher, just in case things do go slightly wrong. Keeps you safe. So we'll give it some up, wind it up a little bit. You literally just flick it. Look at that, no clutch. Down the gears. I can't say, just the best fun. You're going to go out, you're going to have a blast, you're going to go around that, and you can race it. It's bonkers. You can track day it, you can sprint it, you can hill climb it, you can do all kinds of things in the Cup 200 car. You think it's not a car, it's everything. It's fun with 4 wheels with a bike engine. That's how nuts it is. So I'm going to do a bit of a roller from second gear. Here we go. We're going to take this up to the dizzy heights of 11,000 RPM. Ready? 3, 2, 1. One of these. You've been promising yourself one of these. You think, what have I been missing all my life? Well, it's one of these, a Cup 200. It's just awesome. I love it. What stops it? Well, you got Willwood 4-pots all the way round, 265mm and 240s on the rear, cross drilled and grooved. Got Mintex pads in them, and they stop like it's on a dime. Absolutely bonkers. You can just lean on that little pedal on our billet aluminium pedal box that we got down there. Bias adjustable. You can adjust the braking from the front to the rear or vice versa. How you want to as a driver. This car is so tailored to just setting it up for each individual driver. Gives you that confidence that you've got power, stopping power, handling, pinpoint accuracy. It just ticks every single box. Now the flat shift is wonderful. You don't have to have that. Some people want it, some people don't. It's on the gear knob here, as I said to you. Or you can just have a standard one, shift it without it, and choose the clutch as you would normally do, like on a motorbike really. This one's got it. I think once you've got it and once you've had it, you'll always want it. But there is the options there for you if you want it. It's just so much grip. So much grip. Ah, it's bonkers. Start the bike up. Oh, that is so good, that upshift. A bit of cruising on the motorway. Let's see her. As you would normally do. Talk to you now, but if you want to know more about the Cup 200 range or any of the other cars that MK Sportscars is, look us up, a phone call or an email, and you can see what's about really what these cars are all about. But what I'm going to leave you with is a 0 to 60 time of 4 seconds under and 132 mile an hour. And enough of me talking, you want to hear this. See you on the next video, guys.